Hey guys, as you notice, this is a commentary video where I play video games in the background while I do some commentary on some of the things that should be relevant to engineers. So let me know if you guys enjoy this kind of content, and I'll do more if you do enjoy it. So let me know in the comments, or like and subscribe. So let's talk about Section 230. Why should engineers worry about Section 230? Well, let's explain what Section 230 is. Section 230 is the Communications Decency Act. It's a law that was passed in 1996 that provides immunity for websites to be trialed, like if the community generated content was illegal. So let's say you run a site like Reddit or Facebook, and somebody posted something in the comments that was derogatory, not derogatory, but more of like it causes a lawsuit where somebody was not happy about that comment and they sued the company for it. So this law prevents the company from liable from that stuff. So pretty much it shields like companies like Twitter or Facebook or social media companies pretty much that they will not be liable for the content that the user posted on their sites. But still, that's not to say that they should not moderate all that content, right? So they still moderate content in some way, and they do obey the DCMA takedowns and all that stuff. But this law here is big. It protects the company from getting sued. So why should engineers worry about this law right now? Well, the atmosphere of the American politics right now is that the Democrats wants to pass the $2,000 aid to the American people, and they already passed it right now. So right now the bill, it's on the Republican-controlled Senate's floor, where they will vote on that particular law to give $2,000 to American people because of the virus. So what the Republicans do not want to do is they don't really want to give out the $2,000 to everybody. So I don't want to make this video too politic, but pretty much they don't, like the Republicans don't want to pass that. But they say, okay, if you want to pass it, we can think about it, only if you add the repeal to Section 230 into this law. So what they're saying is, sure, we'll give American people $2,000, only if you make social media companies, like any company pretty much, liable for the content that user posted on their website. So this is like coming from Trump mostly, I think. So Trump really wanted the $2,000 to give people, but in the process he wants to add a repeal to Section 230 in the process. And Mitch McConnell is like, sure, yeah, we'll do that. Only so like what I'm predicting is that the Democrats won't want to do this, and but who knows? At this moment, it's pretty confusing, the American politics. But like, if this does get repealed, that means as an engineer, if you ever start a website, or if you like posted your app on the site on the internet, and if it gets popular or somewhat popular, you will be liable for the content that people posted. So for a small developer or small companies like that, we probably don't have the resources to moderate the contents there. Like if your site get popular, let's say you get like 1,000 posts a day from your users, and you don't have the resources to vet through all those posts to make sure that they won't get you sued. So personally, I have started a website like few years back, and it got super popular. I was doing 1 million page views a day, and it was generating like hundreds and thousands of new form of content, user generated content on the site. So it was really hard to moderate that stuff. I had to build like a back-end control panel just to look at all the new content coming through, and then delete it if they're not like if their post is like a threat to the site's existence. So I was doing a lot of deletion, like just from the stuff I saw. Like you don't really want to trust users to post the content, because they will be really, like, a lot of times will be pretty disgusting, pornography, violence, like all that kind of stuff, like copyrighted content. So it's not an easy job to moderate this kind of thing. So I understand from the perspective of like social media companies or like any company that like Reddit, like they will not like this law. So if this does get repealed, it will probably threaten the freedom of speech as a whole, like on the internet right now. Like if you go to Reddit or YouTube comments, like stuff you say might all get vetted through and they might get deleted if they think that your comments will create a lawsuit for them. So this is pretty big, and I really want you guys to pay attention to the news about this law. And we really don't want this to be repealed because we want an open web and a freedom of speech. So yeah, I want you guys to really study that and then research that, and do comment below like what you think about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe my video. See you guys next time.